Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost Rider. First, let's outline the essential components of this legendary character. We will delve into crafting the fiery skull, assembling the distinctive leather outfit, and forging the menacing chain weapon. Whether you prefer the classic Johnny Blaze or a more modern interpretation, understanding these foundational elements is crucial for an authentic portrayal. This guide will help you bring the spirit of vengeance to life with impressive detail. Next, let's tackle the most striking feature, the flaming skull. Start with a robust skull mask or even a repurposed motorcycle helmet as your base. To create the illusion of fire, carefully attach layers of translucent orange and yellow fabrics, shaping them to resemble flickering flames. For that truly supernatural glow, embed tiny, battery-operated LED lights within the fabric, ensuring they are well hidden and emit a consistent, chilling luminescence. Now, let's focus on the formidable attire and the signature weapon. Choose a rugged black leather jacket and complementary pants to form the foundation of your outfit. Enhance the jacket's menacing look by adding metallic studs, sturdy buckles, and decorative chains, giving it an authentic biker aesthetic. For the iconic chain, consider using lightweight plastic or foam links painted to look like weathered metal, ensuring it is both visually impactful and easy to wield. Finally, we'll cover the crucial finishing touches and how to embody the character. Use dark, smudged makeup around your eyes to create a gaunt, spectral appearance, adding depth to the skull's intensity. Practice Ghost Rider's signature posture and deliberate movements to truly bring the spirit of vengeance to life. Double-check that all costume components are securely fastened, ensuring both durability throughout your event and your complete safety while wearing this impressive creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.